Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trezor coming to you live from Asia, guys. Absolutely live from Asia, guys. We're going to be talking about 99%. What the heck is that, 99%? And Mark Cuban seems to be chiming in on crypto again. Maybe he's going to start to talk about Dogecoin. Maybe he's going to start to help pump the Dogecoin. Also, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. So it looks like some Debbie Downers are predicting that we could see 3 to 4 cents coming in for Dogecoin sometime by the end of the year. So we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be demystifying that. It looks like also a huge ton of Dogecoin transactions have been happening as well. About $365 million worth of Dogecoin have been transacted. So we're going to be talking about that. Also, BlackRock, what does that mean for crypto? We're going to also be talking about FTX and Dogecoin. What's going on with those guys over there? The snowflakes, the rope on the soap boys. So we're going to be talking about that and much more. So if this sounds interesting, go down there, smash the likes. Got to do it. Get it done right freaking now. What are you waiting for? And guys, don't forget to share this video and don't forget to subscribe. YB. None of this is financial advice, guys. Do go back and watch all my other videos. Hopefully, and if you guys want more than one video a day, guys, do comment. I would appreciate that. I'll try to get back up to 2 videos a day. Lovely jubbly out there. So what's going on? So we did see that yesterday the broader markets were mainly down. A lot of that had to do with some profit taking as well. So people have been taking some profits. Looks like Elon Musk is also saying that, Tesla's market cap is related to its autonomous driving. So, Tesla's saying, look, if we can fix the autonomous driving thing, then the market cap is going to be going up. Looks like also Binance, France chief brushed off concern the days before police visit. So it looks like, some breaking news for Binance. Looks like, Dutch regulators have basically stopped Binance. Looks like France is also stopping Binance. Should you be worried or concerned about Binance? No, you shouldn't out there. Remember, over-regulation, all this kind of stuff is basically just the, the establishment trying to attack crypto. And that is pretty typical. And when people going after crypto, it means that they're scared. Absolutely scared. I thought this was kind of funny. It looks like this is from Old Taylor, and they're saying attack on Bitcoin in 5 steps. BlackRock launches a spot ETF. And we're going to be talking about that because you can see, and I'll show you proof that 575 ETF applications by BlackRock, only 574 have been approved. So it looks like their track record for ETF approval is pretty darn tootin' good. So it gives me more and more, conviction out there that this ETF is going to get, is definitely going to get passed. So looks like, this could be an attack on Bitcoin according to Old Taylor. And they kind of talk about BlackRock launches spot ETF and pumps the price of Bitcoin to 1 million per coin. Could happen. And the thing is, when that happens, if Bitcoin goes to $1 million, then everyone's going to sell their Bitcoin to BlackRock. Okay. So then BlackRock, according to this guy, they're going to own most of the coins. In a couple of years, $1 million buys you a Happy Meal at McDonald's, guys. So, like I said, don't sell your coins for fiat. Hold them for your family and wait for life-changing wealth or life-changing wealth, depending on your conviction out there. So, guys, a spot ETF is pretty good. And guys, look at this. Like I said, BlackRock record of ETFs approved by SEC is 571. -1. So I got a feeling that this whole ETF could be approved, and this will be huge, guys. Because what is an ETF? Well, basically, what it is it's like a stock. And what happens is that people who don't want to get a hardware wallet or software wallet go on a Bitcoin exchange. It means that Joe, Nancy, Joe Public, everybody that has basically a stock account or access to buying and selling stocks, they're going to be able to buy Bitcoin through the ETF and not have to deal with all the blockchain stuff. So that is going to allow more companies, more institutions, more people, retirement funds to start loading up on Bitcoin. And if that happens, if we have more liquidity coming into the Bitcoin, coming into the Bitcoin ecosystem, that's going to pump the price, guys, and it's going to send the demand sky high. So remember, if Bitcoin goes up, then we're going to see Dogecoin go up and everything else going up. So that's pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool beans. Looks like we got 5 weeks, 5 days. People are saying there's going to be 25 basis point increase, guys. So interesting. What are we seeing for the heat map? We're seeing right now the heat map is looking pretty good. We're seeing most of cryptocurrencies up right now. A lot of the reason why crypto is up right now is because of the fact that people are getting pretty excited about this ETF. So that's what's going on Right now, we're seeing that the fear and greed is at 47. It's pretty much unchanged from where it was yesterday. In my opinion only, I still believe this is a good time to be loading up on Bitcoin, loading up on crypto. Remember, diversification is key. 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, and 25% big caps, guys. So just be careful. Let's take a look at what's going on in the crypto markets right now. We are seeing that the crypto market cap, let me give this a minute refresh out there, guys. Don't get smashed. Dogecoin, freaking 111. You know what that's all about. We're seeing amazing that the crypto markets are up 2.58%. So it's a pretty good day. We're going to be jumping into Bitcoin in a second, and you're going to be seeing that from the lows to where we are now, we're seeing that the Bitcoin is up over 7%. So that is pretty good out there. We're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is going up as well, 48.2, and the Ethereum dominance is going up as well. So that's good, guys. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up 3.38%, Ethereum is up 3.4%. We're seeing BNB is still struggling. XRP is down. XRP is losing a little bit of steam. I think this is with the Hyman documents, a little bit of buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. People are expecting something to happen, but nothing really happened. So that's why we're seeing XRP down. Cardano is up. Doge is up 0.85%, and we're still at 0.61, so 62 cents out there. And Shiba Inu, where is that? Shiba Inu is down to 18, guys. I don't know what's going on with Shiba Inu. It's just not picking up steam. It seems that the community has really gotten depressed when it comes to Shiba Inu. DXY is coming up. That's going to put more pressure on the crypto. What's going on for BTC now? BTC had a very nice pump, and if you guys see here on the daily, we're seeing that BTC from its lows here to where we are now, it went up almost 7%. So that is pretty good. So it's a nice swift recovery. We did get rejected. We did get rejected at the 26,600 level. And this is a major level that we need to get past. We are breaking out of this falling wedge, so that is positive, pretty positive. And you can see here that we got rejected at this level, at the 26,600 level, once, twice, 3 times. We're attempting to break past that now. We definitely need to break past that. If we can't break past that, then we're going to see a huge rejection to the downside, and that could take us back down to 25.6. So we could lose about 5 to 6% if we can't get past this resistance level. So that's what's going on for Bitcoin. So pretty interesting. Ethereum as well had a nice pump yesterday, about 3%. It's just kind of going sideways, a little less volume as we start into the Saturday session here in Asia. So we still have this falling wedge. We need to definitely break past this falling wedge. We had this whole area of confluence here that we got rejected. So do not worry about it, guys. Looking pretty good out there. We've seen that Bakit delist Solana, Matic, and ADA. And that's because of Gary Gensler and the regulatory concerns and calling these cryptos securities. However, Dogecoin is still listed, unfettered, untethered, and it's still looking pretty good, guys. Also, too, guys, this from Mr. Bar. Hey, Dogecoin, Binance is shutting down in the Netherlands due to failure to register with Dutch regulator as a virtual asset service. So this is effective. So new users can register to Binance. This is effective. So no new users. I got my words, so I'm minced up over there. No new users can register to Binance from Netherlands. So guys, from July 17th only, crypto withdrawals will remain available to the existing users, guys. So get your money off there. If you got Doge, get it on a hardware wallet, guys. And once again, get a freaking hardware wallet, guys. Remember, if you don't own the crypto, if you don't own the keys, you don't own the crypto, and you could lose everything. So go down there and check out my link, guys. Definitely check out the link. Looks like Binance is basically, as I said, withdrawing from the Dutch market due to regulatory issues. They're out of there. Mark Cuban, 99%. What's going on? So Mark Cuban has really warned that 99% of crypto assets will fail. And the winners will be game changers. So you're going to see as we run up to the next bull market, you're going to see a lot of crypto projects fail, a lot of crypto projects become non-existent. But what's going to happen is that the fact of the matter is that those cryptocurrencies that are solid projects like Dogecoin, Ethereum, and the top 50 projects, they are going to explode. So that is what's going on. So, Mark Cuban says he thinks the vast majority of digital assets will go bust. But he's still a believer. And he also believes in smart contracts. And he's saying, look, smart contracts are about 6 years old. Maybe the name isn't accurate, but the utility is valid. 90% of the blockchain companies will go broke. 90% of the tokens will go broke, just like 90% of the early internet companies did. The startup companies leveraging will disappear. So remember, when we had the internet boom, we had 99% of the internet companies did go broke. But the ones that survived, the ones that stayed strong are huge. Look at Google. Look at Google, for example. But the winners will be game changers. And that's just the way tech works. So we're going to see a big flush out of a lot of cryptocurrency projects. That is why it's important to have diversification. Like I said, 50% in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not going away. Ethereum is not going away. And, the top 50 projects, most of those will survive, and your diversification is key, guys. So that's important. 99% of crypto projects will fail. And it's about picking the winners and staying away from the losers, guys. So keep watching this channel. We're going to tell you about the winners, and we're going to tell you how to avoid the freaking losers, guys. So let's talk about Bitcoin. It looks like Bitcoin bull market has begun. So that is pretty good. We are in the pre-halving phase. Small pump sideways actions before post-halving parabola. So we take a look at our halving right now. How long we got? Let me give this a refresh. Dogecoin 111. We got about 303 days left before the next halving, guys. So, expect some, sideways action before post-halving, and then it's going to be time to explode. So this is a great time to accumulate. If you're not accumulating Bitcoin, you're going to definitely miss out on the pump, guys. Nothing has changed when it comes to Bitcoin. With the recent drop, they just, we're seeing that the market makers are just trying to shake out you to drop your sats, guys. So, often crypto often needs a long breath before we get a pump, guys. So expect some sideways chop. Expect some accumulation, but definitely there's going to be a huge parabolic pump as we get closer to the halving, guys. We have this whole head and shoulder pattern here, and looks like we're breaking out. And it's just a matter of time, guys. Just a matter of freaking time out there. Looks like S&P 500 is printing again. It looks like, as we've discussed previously in January, we have this whole head and shoulders, have this falling wedge. We're breaking above the falling wedge right now. And you know what this means, right? It means you got to be freaking patient. Rewards are going to come. This is a 200-day moving average. We're above it right now. So it's just a matter of time. Expect some accumulation, expect some chop, expect some hunter wicks, expect some manipulation. But overall, Bitcoin is going to pump, and it will pump. We're seeing that Bitcoin realized wealth held by coins aged less than 3 months, and these are retail participants, has experienced a near 100% increase. So we are starting to see right now that more retail investors are slowly pumping money back into the market, and that is pretty good. It suggests that stages of wealth transfer from experienced participants to the new demand is occurring. And every time we have a transfer of wealth and we start to see that more and more Bitcoin is being held by retail investors, that is often when we have parabolic moves for crypto, parabolic moves for Bitcoin, guys. So do not sleep on Bitcoin. We're also seeing that, the latest upwards Bitcoin mining difficulty adjustment has just reached another all-time high. And that just goes to prove that the network is solid. It's, and remember, the Bitcoin mining difficulty is always and typically a precursor of price. So if this is any indication of where we're going to go in price, we're going to be making a move soon, guys. Absolutely making a move. Absolutely. So, guys, Bitcoin is bouncing back. Prices reclaim the falling wedge, signaling a potential retest of the upper wedge. It's happening right now. As long as we don't revisit 25K, we're looking nice and we're looking bullish, guys. So we got this upward sloping trend line, and that is why we're above $26,000, guys. 28,000, 40,000, 50,000. It's just a matter of time, guys. It looks like Bitcoin has bounced from bullish trend on the top of the range right now. So looking pretty good. We're above the 140-day moving average. And this is one of the most accurate bear bull indicators. And right now, it looks like we're having a reversal. So that is pretty good. Interesting news. Looks like Binance is starting to load back up again on Bitcoin. Interesting. They start to divest in BNB. Not a good look out there for their native currency, but we can start to see that the amount of USTD that they're holding is going down, and we can see the BTC holdings are going up. So this is indicative. This is a tell. This is a hint that something big is going to happen for Bitcoin, guys. So don't sleep on Bitcoin. We're seeing so far, June, we're down 3.16%. May, we're down 6.98%. But if we take a look at the quarterly returns right now, We're seeing that Q1 was 71%. Q2 is 77.46%. So overall, we're still in the freaking money, guys. Stop whinging, stop whining. What's going on with the leverage apes right now? We're seeing about $59 million worth of leverage out there. And basically, we're seeing basically it's neutral out there in terms of long and shorts. Let me just update this. Let's see what's going on hourly longs. What's going on the 24 hour. So basically, it's about 67% shorts, guys. So watch out for Hunter Wicks out there, guys. Be part of the freaking conversation, guys. Don't forget to join our Discord. Don't forget to do that, guys. Elon Musk and Dogecoin. It's inevitable. World currency, guys. Currency of the world spelled wrong. Whoops. Double O for effect out there. What's going on with Dogecoin right now? So Dogecoin just kind of doing sideways. A little bit disappointing. I was expecting more of a pump because Bitcoin was making some moves. But it's a little bit depressing that didn't make any moves. Also, we're seeing right now that Dogecoin is up 1.13%. We're seeing the bombs are like in the toilet, pretty dirty. And market cap is still at 8.6 billion. We're seeing that a ton of massive Dogecoin transfer totaling 335 million. So we are seeing some movement of the Dogecoin token, but basically it's from one wallet to unknown wallet. So this could just be a rebalancing of their portfolio. It's not an exchange. Could it be Elon Musk? Could Elon Musk be gearing up for something? We don't know out there, guys. So let's take a look at social sentiment right now on the weekly. Social sentiment mentions are up, engagements are down. People are being distracted by other things right now. We're not seeing much activity in terms of Dogecoin, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that price is down. Nobody's talking about it. So that's not a good look out there. Not a good look at all. What's going on with the Pepster out there? Same kind of thing. Nothing much is happening. We did have a little bit of a pump yesterday. Other than that, it's kind of retested down. Pretty kind of boring out there. Did we get a pump yesterday? We did get a pump yesterday for Dogecoin. That was only about 1%, but it's pretty much just going sideways. Nothing really happening. Kind of boring in the doldrums. What's going on for Shiba Inu right now? Shiba Inu is up also 1%, pretty similar to what Dogecoin is doing. Nothing is happening. The volumes are light. People are kind of like giving up on the Shiba Inu. Nothing really happens. Even though we're getting closer to Shiba Inu, people have kind of lost interest in the Shiba Inu out there, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Guys, don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. Don't forget to get the merch, guys. I would appreciate get the merch gear with the OG gear, guys. And share this video. Love this video. Be well. Be blessed. Be perfect. Be you. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.